Chinese New Year decoration. In my last video, you saw how to make Chinese lantern with paper at home, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate these Chinese lantern on this Chinese New Year. Are you ready? Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you want to learn DIY art and craft, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it if you want to be the first one to know when I upload a new video. On this special occasion of this Chinese New Year 2019, I'm going to show how you can decorate your home, school, office with these beautiful, the most popular symbolic lantern. So watch this video till the end to follow the step-by-step instruction that will make your craft very simple and easy. So let's get started. For this you will need If you missed or you want to learn how to make Chinese lantern with paper at home, watch my last video by clicking the icon button on the top, or the link is in the description below. Yeah, so now you have all the materials with you in hand. I found this branch in my garden. Take golden spray and spray it all over the branch, or if you want you can use gold acrylic color. Now take any plastic bottle, place any plastic sheet or a plastic bag on your working area so you don't mess it. Place funnel on the top of the bottle and with the help of the spoon, start filling sand inside the bottle. Fill it completely. Now take the branch and fix inside the bottle like this. Dear friends, if you're looking for some DIY art and craft, go and watch my previous videos and subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell button so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. To secure, I applied hot glue on the top this way. If you have any question or any request for any specific craft, feel free to leave a comment below. Now it's time to decorate lantern. Take one by one and arrange it how you like. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you make, please send me picture on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you soon. Till then, namaste.